Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, dry skin and a small quantity of product. Shake the Clarins Body Fit to mix active ingredients, then dispense 1-2 pumps per target area. Use your fingertips to warm the lotion briefly so it spreads evenly. Apply to one area at a time, working in small amounts. This ensures even coverage and prevents waste. Remember, the goal is focused, systematic application rather than rubbing wildly, so you get the active complex where it's needed. Once the lotion is on, begin a structured massage. Upward, circular strokes for about 60-90 seconds to stimulate circulation and help absorption. For denser spots, use gentle pinch and roll motions, short repeats without aggressive pressure, because controlled mechanical stimulation enhances the formula's effect. If you need to cover a larger area, layer a thin second coat after the first has settled for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to maintain even pressure and rhythm. Inconsistent technique reduces performance. Finish by allowing the product to absorb fully. Avoid tight clothing or friction for about 10 minutes so the active complex penetrates. Make it part of a daily or nightly routine for best results. Consistency over weeks matters more than intensity. If you don't see improvement in 2-4 weeks, reassess technique and frequency. Troubleshooting. If you experience redness or stinging, stop use immediately, rinse the area, and perform a 24-hour patch test before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.